Shalom, shalom. I'm Abram, son of Terah, descendant of Shem, traveler of who even knows at this point. Okay, here's the update. God, the God, spoke to me. Not a dream, not a vision, just his voice. And he said, leave your country, your father's house, your people, and go where?
To a land I will show you, that's it.
No location, no map, no camel route. Just trust me.
You don't even know where we're going, Abram.
Neither did Noah, and look how that turned out. He said he'll make me a great nation. Which is cool, except I don't have, children.
But hey, who needs logic when you've got a calling? Lot, that bag's mine. The one with the goat cheese.
Anyway, if you see me wandering in the desert looking lost, just know I'm being obedient. You ever get a word from God and it sounds like a wild idea only faith can follow?
Still no children. But I do have 3 camels and a goat with attitude.
He said, count the stars. That's how many descendants I'd have. But my wife's still barren. And I'm closer to being a great-grandfather than a father. You ever trust God and still feel completely forgotten? I haven't given up. I'm just waiting louder now. So Sarai just came to me with a plan. She said, maybe God meant for you to have a child through my servant. Lord, I'm trying to follow you, but this is feeling less like obedience and more like reality TV.
Abram.
So now, I've been told to have a child with Hagar. Yeah, this is about to get complicated. Okay, so I did what Sarah said. Now she's mad at me for doing what she told me to do. Meanwhile, Hagar's giving me side eyes like I'm the villain in a scroll. Y'all, I just wanted a son. I didn't know I was signing up for biblical level drama. God, you promised a nation. I didn't know the first step would be this. Y'all, I'm 100 years old, and I'm holding my baby boy. Sarai laughed when God said it. I laughed too. But guess what? We named him Isaac, because sometimes faith really does end in laughter. Miracles take time. But when God says it, he mends it. Okay, so God gave me a son, a miracle, laughter himself. You ever trust God so hard it feels like your heart might break? I don't understand. But I'm still walking.